So in this video I'm going to repost how I'm doing or mounting a non-Vesa monitor on this Vesa mount. So I have removed this thing from this thing, and this is gonna go on and stuck onto the wall, and this is gonna fix here. So these are standard 100 mm apart, and these are 75 mm apart, and these are the standard Vesa mount. But our monitor has an internal framework. We doesn't have the standard mounts because it was not meant for this. So I have drilled holes which are exactly similar to that of the internal framework. So let me show you how I did it. So this is the internal framework, and we have removed the back panel, and now we will remove this thing and we will try to attach on that part. So this is out, and we are gonna mount on this thing. So matching these holes, I have different type of screws because this is not gonna get here. We need a nut, so I got some longer screws and the nut, and this will get fixed like this, and this will slide in here. So let me screw it. So this is how it will look after mounting on the wall, and the back portion should be looking like this. Now this looks ugly. I tried to flip this thing up, but the screw is not removable. So this is how it looks. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. So this is how it looks. The wiring is minimal. I have tried to hide it as much as possible, and it's connected to the MacBook. So yeah, this is the final look.